Class 2 children, please take out your value education book. Class 2 children, please take out your value education book. Page 38. Open page 38. Chapter 7. Kindness to pets. Value education book, take out please. Class 2 children. Open page 38. Chapter 7. Kindness to pets. So, from this chapter, values we will cover: kindness to animals, caring for pets. One day, Rahul was returning home from school. He saw that a bird had fallen under a tree. So, what happened, children? One day, when Rahul was returning home from school, he saw a bird had fallen under a tree. So when Rahul was returning home from school, what did he see, children? He saw a bird fallen under a tree. Rahul bent down to see why the bird was lying on the ground. So what did Rahul do after seeing the bird? He bent down to see why the bird was lying on the ground. The bird was wounded. Why the bird was lying on the ground? Because it was wounded. The bird was wounded. Her tender feet were covered with blood. Her tender feet were covered with blood. So the bird was wounded. What happened to the bird? Her tender feet were covered with blood. Her wings were clipped. So the bird's tender feet were covered with blood and her wings were clipped. Rahul felt sorry because he saw the bird in that condition. He carried the bird home and showed her to his grandmother. So what did Rahul do? He felt sorry. He carried the bird home and showed her to his grandfather. The bird was frightened and tried to flutter her wings. The bird was frightened, children, and tried to flutter her wings to fly. Rahul stroked her to calm her down. But what did Rahul do, children? Rahul stroked her to calm her down. Rahul: I want to help her, Grandpa. She is in lot of pain. So Rahul, what did Rahul tell his grandfather? That I want to help her. She is in lot of pain. Grandpa: sure. Rahul, you have done a good deed in bringing her home. So what did Grandpa tell Rahul? Grandpa told Rahul that yes, you will help the bird and you did a good thing in bringing her home. First, let us wash her wound. So what did Grandpa tell Rahul? That first we will wash her wound. Bring me some water, cotton, antiseptic cream and a bandage. Then Grandpa told Rahul that bring me some water, cotton, antiseptic cream and a bandage. For whom, children? For the bird. Rahul and Grandpa cleaned her feet gently. Rahul and Grandpa cleaned her feet gently. So what did Rahul and Grandpa do? Rahul and Grandpa cleaned her feet gently. Then Rahul helped Grandpa to tie the bandage on the bird's feet. Then what did Rahul do? Rahul helped his grandfather to tie the bandage on the bird's feet. Grandpa: Rahul, now that you have brought the bird home, it is your responsibility to take care of her too. Now Grandpa told Rahul that since you have brought the bird home, it is your responsibility to take care of her too. Rahul: please tell me what to do, Grandpa. Then Rahul asked Grandpa. See? Rahul asked Grandpa, what to do, Grandpa? Please tell me. Grandpa, first, let us give her some water in a bowl. She may be thirsty. So Grandpa told Rahul that first let us give her some water in a bowl. She may be thirsty. Rahul brought a bowl containing clean water. So what did Rahul do? Rahul brought a bowl containing clean water. He was so surprised to see the bird drinking it so eagerly. He was very surprised when Rahul gave a bowl containing clean water. He was surprised to see the bird drinking it so eagerly. Then he scattered some bread crumbs in front of her. Then after giving water, what did Rahul do? He scattered some bread crumbs in front of her. The bird pecked on the food. The bird pecked on the food. Rahul, Grandpa, can we shop some food for her? Then Rahul told Grandpa that, Grandpa, can we shop some food for her? Grandpa, sure. But before that, we have to build her a cozy home to stay. Grandpa, when Rahul asked his grandfather that can we shop some food for her, Grandpa said sure. But before that, before buying food for her, we have to build a cozy home for the bird to stay. I will look for an empty carton box. So Rahul told his grandfather that I will look for an empty carton box. Meanwhile, he'll collect some dry sticks and leaves from the garden. Then Rahul told his grandfather that I will look for an empty box, carton box, and meanwhile you collect some sticks. Grandpa told Rahul to collect some sticks, dry sticks and leaves from the garden, and Grandpa said that I will collect a empty box, an empty carton box. Grandfather told Rahul that he will collect an empty carton box and told Rahul that for him to collect some dry sticks and leaves from the garden. Both of them set out to build a comfortable nesting place and place the bird carefully inside it. So both of them, what they did? Both of them set out to build a comfortable nesting place for the bird and place the bird carefully inside the box. Then they went to the market and bought some food for the bird to eat for the next few days. Then Grandpa and Rahul went to the market and bought some food for the bird to eat for the next few days. Rahul saw that the bird became better. Rahul saw that the bird became better. Within 2 or 3 days, she started to walk in short steps. Within 2 or 3 days, she started to walk in short steps. Her wings started to heal as well. Her wings started to heal as well. The bird started to walk within 2-3 days and her wings started to heal as well. Every day after school, Rahul spent some time with his pet. So every day, Rahul came back from school and he spent some time with his pet. In a few days, she started fluttering her wings and could fly short distances. And within a few days, the bird started fluttering her wings and could fly short distances. Grandpa, shall we buy a cage for her? I do not want her to fly away. I will miss her. Then what did Rahul tell? Rahul told his grandpa, shall we buy a cage for her? Because I don't want her to fly away. I will miss her. Grandpa, Rahul, would you be happy if you were asked to stay inside your room throughout the day? Then Grandpa told Rahul, would you be happy if you were asked to stay inside your room throughout the day? Would you like it if you did not go to school, meet your friends and play with them? So children, same thing happens with us. I hope children you have a pet at home and you look after the pet carefully, isn't it? After going home from school, when you go back home, first running only, we run and go to meet a pet, isn't it? And we love our pet, and we carefully we take care of our pet very carefully. We don't want that any harm will happen to a pet. Nothing should happen to a pet, isn't it? If anything happens to a pet, then we feel sad, isn't it, children? So the same thing, Rahul wanted to buy a cage for the bird, to keep the bird inside the cage so that it could not fly away. But Grandpa told Rahul that it is not the right thing to keep the bird inside the cage. Your pet will also feel sad if she cannot fly freely. I think you should set her free once she is alright. But Grandpa told Rahul that if you are locked inside a room, if you cannot go to school, if you cannot meet your friends, if you cannot play with them, then how will you feel? So same way, the bird, if the bird cannot fly freely, then the bird will feel sad. So I think you should set her free once she is alright. But children, we keep birds, we keep dogs, we keep cats, and many other things also we can keep as a pet, but they stay inside a house. We make a cage for them or a small house for them to stay comfortably. But we should not keep any animals, children, inside a house. We should let all the animals be free. Rahul was sad, but he agreed with what his grandpa said. So Rahul was sad, but he agreed with what his grandpa said. Within a week, the bird recovered completely and could fly comfortably. Rahul was sad because when his grandfather told him that set the bird free, let the bird go away, Rahul felt sad, but he agreed with his grandfather. Then within a week, the bird recovered completely and could fly comfortably. But to Rahul's surprise, she went out during the day and came back and rested on his shoulder when he was back from school. But when Rahul set the bird free, the bird during the day, the bird used to stay outside. But when Rahul came back from school, the bird used to come back and rest on his shoulder. He realized that his pet was not going to fly away. Then he realized that his pet, the bird, will not leave him and go away. Rahul was excited. He hugged his pet and said, "Thank you, my dear friend. I will take care of you." So Rahul was very happy. He hugged his pet and said, "Thank you, my dear friend. I will take care of you." So the moral of the story is, children, we should be kind to animals. We should not ill-treat them. We should respect their freedom. We should take good care of our pets and make sure that they are happily living with us. We should not torture our pets, isn't it? When we keep any pets in our house, children, we should not torture them. We should take good care of our pets and be loving to them. We should not ill-treat them, isn't it, children? So I hope this chapter is clear to you, children. Now we will do a few exercises. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. One day Rahul was returning home from dash. One day Rahul was returning home from dash. So from where Rahul was returning, children? From school. Yes, one day Rahul was returning from school. Number 2. Rahul saw that a dash had fallen under a dash. Number 2, Rahul saw that a dash had fallen under a dash. That a bird had fallen under a tree. Next, children. Number 3. The bird's tender feet were covered with dash and her wings were dash. The bird's tender feet were covered with blood. Yes, were covered with blood and her wings were clipped. Blood clipped. Number 4. Rahul carried the bird home and showed her to his... To whom, children? Rahul showed the bird? Grandpa. Answer is Grandpa. Number 5. The bird tried to dash her wings. The bird tried to flutter. The bird tried to flutter her wings. Number 6. Dash stroked her to calm her down. Who stroked her, children? Rahul. Yes, Rahul stroked her to calm her down. Number 7. Rahul helped Grandpa. Rahul helped Grandpa to tie the dash on the bird's feet. Rahul helped Grandpa to tie the bandage on the bird's feet. Number 8. The bird dashed on the food. The bird pecked. We should be dash to animals. Children, we should be dash to animals. We should be kind to animals. Number 10. Rahul set the bird free. Next exercise 2, children. Answer the following in one word. Number 1. She was wounded. So what is the answer, children? What you have to write? She was wounded, bird. Number 2. He felt sorry, Rahul. Number 3. Rahul showed the bird to this person. To whom? Grandpa. Number 4. Rahul carried the bird to this place, home. Number 5. Grandpa and Rahul went to the market to buy this for the bird, food. Number 5. Food. Number 6. Rahul and Grandpa gave the bird some water in this container, bowl. So I repeat, children. Answer the following in one word. Number 1. She was wounded, bird. Number 2. He felt sorry, Rahul. Number 3. Rahul showed the bird to this person, Grandpa. Number 4. Rahul carried the bird to this place, home. Grandpa and Rahul went to the market to buy this for the bird, food. Number 6. Rahul and Grandpa gave the bird some water in this container, bowl. Next, children. Exercise 3. Exercise 3. Write whether the following statements are true or false. Number 1. Rahul was happy but he agreed with his grandpa. What will be the answer, children? False. We should ill-treat animals. What will be the answer, children? False. I repeat, children. Write whether the following statements are true or false. Number 1. Rahul was happy but he agreed with his grandpa. False. The answer is false. Number 2. We should ill-treat animals. We should ill-treat animals. False. False. Rahul and Grandpa gave the bird food and water. Rahul and Grandpa gave the bird food and water. True. Number 4. The bird pecked on the food. True. Number 5. Rahul saw that the bird became better. True. Number 6. Rahul did not spend any time with the bird. Answer is, children, false. Number 7. Rocky was returning home from school. False. Number 8. The bird's wings were clipped. The answer is true. Number 9, Rahul showed the bird to his grandmother. The answer is false. The answer is false. Next, children. Number 10, Grandpa and Rahul made sure that the bird felt at home. Answer is true. Now, exercise 4, answer the following questions. Question number 1, with what did Grandpa and Rahul clean the wound of the bird? Question number 2, what kind of nest did Rahul and Grandpa set up for the bird? Number 3, did the bird fly away after she recovered? Number 4, what did Rahul see when he was returning from school? Number 5, who felt sorry? Question number 1, 2, 3 is given. These 3 questions are given in the book, children. Rest of the questions are from inside the chapter. Who felt sorry? Number 6, what did Rahul do with the bird? Number 7, what did Grandpa and Rahul do with the bird? Number 7, what did Grandpa and Rahul do with the bird? Number 8, what happened in a few days? What happened in a few days? Next, children, number 9, why was Rahul sad? Number 10, question number 10, write 2 sentences, how will you take care of your pet? Number 11, what is the moral of the story? Kindness to pets. So children, I repeat question number 1, 2, 3. These 3 questions are given in the book. Rest of the questions are from inside the chapter. So I hope children, you have understood the chapter. Thank you children. Bye-bye.